If you manage buildings in the Nordics, you already know the problem. Energy in one system, maintenance in another, space data somewhere else. Everyone has their own tools, their own reports, and their own version of the truth. We built EG PropCore because we kept hearing the same thing from our customer. The data is there, it's just not connected. And when it's not connected, you can't act on it. EG PropCore brings energy, maintenance, workspace, and property data into one ecosystem. Each product works on its own, and many of them have done so for decades. But when they share data, that's where the real value shows up. An energy spike triggers a maintenance check, occupancy data adjust heating, a sustainability report pulls from real asset history. With CSRD reporting mandatory and EPBD deadlines approaching, the pressure on Nordic real estate is real. You need a unified system that doesn't just collect data, but connects it. And that's what we built. You don't have to replace everything at once. You start with what matters most to you: energy, maintenance, workspace, and grow from there. And if you want to see what connected building data actually looks like, book a demo. We'd love to show you.